Hi, Coach Lou here. Actually, we just finished our trainings and drillings here at Smash Class. Then ngayon is nakita nyo marami nag-open play. Since sa mga mahilig mag-pickleball, since prone sa eye injuries, baka sakali gusto nyo ng eye sportswear, good quality but less expensive. Meron kami itong brand, which is Campion. So, ito siya. Para at least pag may mga opponents kayo na gusto mag-speed up or bigla mag-smash, medyo accidentally na kapunta sa face nyo, at least mapaprotection yung eyes nyo. So, just in case, if you're interested, you may kindly call or text me at 0915-128-6713.